This is a tag that came with the pineapple, but if you cut it like this, you're wasting a lot of pineapple. So today we're gonna show you what's the right way of cutting a pineapple. Hello everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner? This is Wayna, and today we're gonna show you how to cut a pineapple. If you go to Asia, you can see like how they cut the pineapple. It's a really delicate way, and then it makes it so beautiful and gorgeous, and it doesn't waste a lot of the pineapple. But if you follow the tag that came with the pineapple, or like you buy those pre-cut ones from the grocery store, first of all, they're expensive. Second of all, they waste a lot of pineapple. That's just not fair to the pineapple, okay? So we're gonna show you what's the best way of cutting the pineapple. First off, you want to choose a nice pineapple. You look at the color. Don't try to pull the leaves. This doesn't tell you anything other than it's really old. Old doesn't mean that it's ripe. You look at the color, usually it has like a nice orange or red. That means it's somewhat ripe or ready to be eaten, and then you just smell it. The best smelling pineapple is always a good pineapple. That's just how fruits are. I will usually cut off the bottom first. Whatever flesh that's left on the bottom, you can dug it out with like a spoon or something to eat it. And then I will just trim the side slowly, just a little bit by a little bit. You can always come back to it later, but I hate to waste any fruit that we couldn't eat because I just think it's really unfair to the fruit and disrespectful. Like, I see that there are like grocery stores or whatever, they're selling the pineapple cutter. What they do is that they just do like a grand cut of like only a third of what the pineapple would have been, which is wasteful and nothing else. Sure, it only takes like maybe 2 minutes less, but man, you waste a lot of that pineapple. So you can see there are still some like green parts that you didn't quite get to it because pineapple has its own curves. So you can just go back later on here and there. Try to like spot check which area needs a little bit more trimming. This way you'll be able to salvage the most pineapple. The oldest and the most traditional way of cutting a pineapple is that you just kind of make like a V-shaped cut following its own direction, which way that all of these little tiny little holes go, and this way you get the most pineapple out of it, and it looks beautiful. So this is the first way. It will kind of look like this when you finish, but I'm gonna show you the second way right now. Actually, most people will have one of these peeler, and you can use the top over here. You just kind of like cut it in, but this way it's a little bit more time consuming. Or you can buy this on Amazon. It's a kind of like a pincher. It's kind of like a square shape, and then you just pinch it in, sort of like a tweezer, and then it will pull it out so that it will be a really beautiful pineapple, kind of like SpongeBob. But I couldn't find mine right now, so I couldn't show you, but you get what I'm saying. I'll just finish with the knife. Okay, so I like to just get rid of the middle core part because I feel like it's kind of hard. I just don't like it. It gets stuck in your teeth and all. Also, when you're cutting them, please be careful because it gets really slippery. And then also, if you feel like you can't finish all of it, you can always freeze them, and then you can make a smoothie out of them later. So now, if you just shake it a little bit, it will actually make more room for you to put the lid on or pour more pineapple. Thanks for watching. For $3, you buy a pineapple. You can cube them yourself, make them into beautiful pieces, and eat them throughout the week. Isn't that a healthy snack? If you like our short videos for tips and tricks in the kitchen, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any friends or families that can benefit from our videos, please feel free to share. We'll see you next time. Bye!